Hey, welcome to Science with Bexy. First of all, can I just say thank you so much for taking an interest in my YouTube channel. This episode is just going to be a brief introduction to me and kind of the origins of where this idea came from. Just if you're curious. So I guess I should start with school. In school, I was never really the extremely clever one. I was never the overachiever. I was always middle of the class, like nothing too special. It wasn't really till A-level that I realised my affinity with physics. So I chose physics, and actually on GCSE results day, I was going to change that to just whichever science I'd done the best in. But luckily, I got the same grade in all three sciences, so I stuck with physics. My A-levels were a real mashup. I had PE, English literature, business and physics. And I don't know what I was going to do at uni. It was either going to be business or English lit, but I hadn't really decided yet. So it was in my first term of A-levels that I realised, hang on, I'm actually alright at physics, which was a huge shock to both me and my friends. So when I looked at what other A-levels you need to do physics at uni, you had to have maths. So I had to make a really quick decision. So I asked the school and they said I'd have to teach myself the first term of the maths A-level over the Christmas holidays and then demonstrate to them that I'd done enough to catch up, which luckily I had, and they let me change business to maths. So I was now set at doing physics at uni, which was the best decision I've ever made. And it actually only recently occurred to me that it was quite brave to do that and took quite a lot of courage to make that jump. So yeah, I went on to do physics at uni, and my friends still can't believe that I managed to pull that off. I still stand by my comment that I don't see myself as extremely clever or anything. I honestly had to work so hard in order to keep up with the course. I had to attend every single lecture, which nobody does at uni. I had to complete every assignment, and I had to revise like hell in order to get my degree. But I did, and since then I've been working as an engineer. Engineering is basically applied physics. So I've been working for about 3.5 years now, and whenever I can, I get involved in STEM activities. But there's only so much you can do or so many students you can reach by being a STEM volunteer. I wanted to do more and especially try and get more females interested in science. So I decided to make this YouTube channel where each episode I take a physics topic and try and break it down as easy or as simply as I can. I want to be there for you if you Google something and you just can't make sense of it, if you're revising and you need more material, or if you leave the lesson in a daze and you think, what on earth did that teacher just go on about? I feel like the general perception of physics is yuck, and it's difficult and Sheldon Cooper, and I really want to try and change that. I want to show people that it can be simplified and it is actually super interesting. Like, physics is the foundation for our entire universe and it's freaking cool. And who knows, if this goes well, I would love to branch out into maths and other STEM subjects and just spread the sciencey love. So thank you for taking an interest in me, in my channel, and thank you for any support that you give in the future.